Good morning children. Today we are going to learn semester 2 chapter 13 average. An average is a single value representing a group of values. It gives us an idea of the standard of the group. We can compare different groups by comparing their averages. We often hear this word average in connection with cricketers' score. Sachin has an average of 50 and Dravid's average is 48 and so on. We also hear of average when it comes to marks scored. Ramu's average mark was 67 but Shamu's average is 70. We often use average to compare quantities or performance of people. What do you mean by average? Average is a number expressing the central value in a set of data. It is calculated by dividing the sum of the data by number of items in the data. For example, see here, if Ramu gets 63, 75, 48, 92 and 62 marks in 5 subjects, then his average marks is 68. How do we get this? That means average is equal to sum of all items divided by number of items. So here 63 plus 75 plus 48 plus 92 plus 62 divided by 5. That means sum of all items divided by number of items is equal to 340 divided by 5 is equal to 68. This means that Ramu has roughly scored 68 marks in each of his 5 subjects. Sachin scored 55 runs and 113 runs in 2 innings of a test match. Then we say Sachin's average in the match is 84. That means 55 plus 113 divided by 2 is equal to 168 divided by 2 is equal to 84. It means Sachin scored about 84 runs in each of the 2 innings. So we see that to calculate the average, we add the items and divide by the number of items. See here, it is clearly mentioned average is equal to sum of all items divided by number of items. Now see the example 1. In a class, the attendance for 6 days of the week was 35, 42, 42, 37, 43, 35. Find the average attendance of the class. Find the average attendance of the class. Average is equal to sum of all items divided by number of items. See here, 35 plus 42 plus 42 plus 37 plus 43 plus 35 divided by 6 is equal to 234 divided by 6 is equal to 39. So, average attendance is equal to 39. Now, Rohit scored 75, 73, 65 in 3 terms and Mohit scored 68, 78 in 2 terms. Who has performed better here? In order to compare performance, we find the average marks of Rohit and Mohit. First, what we have to do? We have to calculate Rohit marks. So, total marks is equal to 75 plus 73 plus 65 is equal to 213. So, number of terms, how many are there? 3. So, average is equal to total marks by number of terms, that is 213 by 3, that is equal to how much? 71. Likewise Mohit, see here, total marks is equal to 68 plus 78 is equal to 146. How many terms are there? For Mohit, 2 terms. Right, so number of terms is equal to 2. Now average is equal to total marks divided by number of terms, that is equal to 146 divided by 2 is equal to 73. So Mohit has done better than Rohit. Now let us do it here. Find the average of the following. We know the formula, like average is equal to sum of all items divided by number of items. Now here a bit, see here 40, 60, 55, 50, 45. Now we have to add all these numbers. 40 plus 60 plus 55 plus 50 plus 45 is equal to 250 divided by 5. That is equal to answer is 50. Likewise, rest of the sums you do it on your own. Now read, think and solve. Here the question is, the weight of 5 boys in a group are 45 kgs, 39 kgs, 42 kgs, 40 kgs and 50 kgs respectively. Find the average weight of the group. Now solution we shall see here in the book. See, average is equal to what I told you, sum of all items, right, divided by number of items, right. So here 45 plus 39 plus 42 plus 40 plus 50, that is equal to 216 divided by 5 items, that is equal to answer is 43.2. That means see here, the average weights of 5 boys in a group is equal to 43.2. This is the working column. You can check it out. Now, one more example. Shall we see the question? D-bit. Ramu scored 75, 35, 101 and 72 runs in 4 innings. Shyamo could play only 3 innings and his score was 112, 142 and 21. Find their average and also find whose performance was better. Solution. In order to compare performance, we find the average score of Ramu and Shyamo. Now first what we have to do? First we have to find out the Ramu's. Total innings is equal to 75 plus 35 plus 101 plus 72 is equal to 283 divided by 4. That means I told you, sum of all items divided by number of items. That is equal to here how much answer is 70.75. 70.75. Ramu scored. Now Shyamo. Likewise, see total innings 112 plus 142 plus 21 is equal to 275 divided by 3 is equal to 91.6. Now, whose performance was better here? Either Shyamo or Ramu. Shyamo performance was better than Ramu. Now see, rest of the sums you do it on your own. Okay. Thank you children. Stay safe. Take care.